Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this project we will continue to fabricate the wood chipper machine. In this step, as you can see, we will create the frame of the bolt of the gearbox, and this the position of welding. See, it's welding. Maybe here it's 6 centimeter, 60 mm gap. After welding it, so we will start to create. Here we have our gearbox. We'll check this distance. It's 165. And this one it's 135. Okay, so the position of the gearbox is here, the plate. So let's create one. Okay, let's start by this. Let's say it's 200 by 270. Okay, let's extrude it 10 mm. Okay, now if we'll open again the gearbox, the hole where we will fix the gearbox, so we'll create this one. This it's 165, as we know before. Here it's 135 millimeter. So let's do it. First of all, okay, we go here. Before creating the holes or the way of the holes, we'll make a line. Let's make construction line, and the gap here it's 30 millimeter. Now we create. Okay, here it's 50, and here it's 14 as the gearbox. Okay, the distance here we will define after. From here to this edge we'll define after. Now we'll repeat this sketch. Here we have 165 on this way. This way we have to piece also the Y, the shaft, the axis Y, we'll reverse, and we have 135 millimeter. See, it's okay. Okay, here we can also reduce this. Okay, we'll exit from here and we'll choose through all, and that's it. Let's create some color. We'll choose, for example, this one. We will save this part. We'll name it Gearbox base. Okay, we go now to the assembly. Okay, from here to here, we create as a distance. Let's make 50. Okay, okay. Now we'll bring the gearbox and we will fix it here. After we will check the level of the shaft of the gearbox and this shaft. We need it in the same line. So we will bring the gearbox. Now this one. Sorry. The gearbox. We'll change position. Yes. Okay. Now to assemble the gearbox, we need here contact. Okay. Okay. Here the same, you see, all the hole are center. This gap, why? Because if we need to make tension for the chain. Okay. Here, as you can see, there is a big difference between here and here. More. So we will adjust this distance. So let's here. Okay, let's make it 10. Okay, I think better to make it direct contact. make it here. Okay. As you can see here, there is little difference. If we check this distance, how much? It's 7 mm. So we come back to here. Okay. And we will edit this sketch. Okay, we are from here. It's 55. Okay, let's make it 50. Or 48. Okay, 50 also okay. See, now it's okay, no problem. We'll hide this. Okay. Now we have to create some plate here to make this plate more solid for no bending. So we will calculate. Okay, it's 270. So new part. We'll choose this face. It's very simple. $270. There, let's make it 40. Thickness, let's make it 8 mm. We'll make this okay. Change color. Okay, gearbox plate 8 millimeter. We didn't define this. Okay, it's okay now. We'll bring this plate to the assembly. This here parallel, it's okay. And here contact. Here we'll choose from here. Okay, from here to here. Need a distance. Let's make 20. Okay. The same plate. Okay. Here coincidence. And the same here. From here it's 20 millimeter. That's okay. Here we have a tensioner threaded bar. We'll make it here and here one and here one for tensioning the gearbox. This tensioner system, we need to put here one piece here and one piece here. It's hexagon bar, threaded, full threaded, full hole threaded to make it tension and loose the gearbox. So let's create a new part. We choose hexagon bar, hexagon sketch. So here it's 40, okay, or let's make it 30 millimeter. Okay, we'll extrude this, for example 25 millimeter. Okay, we'll make a threaded hole. Threaded hole. Okay, M14 it's okay. Up to M12, okay. Okay, M14 position. Now let's we check through the hole. It's okay. Position. It's on the center. That's okay. Okay. We'll create some appearance. Okay. Extensioner. And we go to the assembly again, and this one we bring it here. Okay. Okay, we'll choose any face and make it contact with the plate. Okay, and this one with this edge. Okay, okay, let's create this from this line. No, from this line to this edge. Okay, it's 40. Okay, we do the same here. 40 millimeter. It's okay, we'll save. That's it for this video. Subscribe and share, and that's it for this video today. The next day we'll create the sprocket. Next video we'll create the sprocket, also the frame, the base of all this system. So subscribe, like and share. Thank you, and let's see you later on the next video. Thank you.